morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Am I audible to everyone? All right. Okay. So last time, what we discussed, I gave you some homework. I gave you the homework of exercise 1.1. So is it done by now? I gave you the homework also of exercise 1.2. Yesterday we were doing how to represent number on number line. Then we did write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. That was the last problem that we did yesterday. Now in the fourth problem of exercise 1.2, it is given find 10 rational numbers between -2 by 5 and half. So exercise 1.2 question number 4. Exercise 1.2 question number 4. Now I am using mask today because there are many people around, so that's why. So similarly, you need to use mask as well when you are going somewhere, when you will be surrounded by many people who are outsiders, not from your family. Then you should use mask. Okay, so exercise 1.2 problem number 4. Find 10 rational numbers find 10 rational numbers between -2 by 5 and half. Find 10 rational numbers between -2 by 5 and half. Now, this type of problems has a special technique to solve. Here, 10 rational numbers are to be found. So, we will do 10 plus 1, that is equal to 11. Since 10 rational numbers are to be found, we will add 1 to that number. The number of rational numbers are to be found, we add 1 to that. So here 10 rational numbers are to be found, we have added 1 to it and it becomes 11. Now, we will write -2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Now, we will multiply the numerator and the denominator by this number. We will multiply the numerator and denominator of both the rational numbers by this number, or -2 into 11 by 5 into 11 and 1 into 11 by 2 into 11, or -22 by 55 and 11 by 22. Now, one more problem is here. The denominators are not equal. the denominators are not equal. Can you see that denominators are not equal? Now we need to make the denominators also equal. So I am going to remove this portion. And I am going to multiply this ratio in the numerator and denominator by 2 and this ratio in the numerator and denominator by 5. This 5 I am going to multiply with this 2 and 1 and this 2 I am going to multiply with this 5 and 2. So minus 2 into 2 by 5 into 2 and 1 into 5 by 2 into 5 or minus 4 by 10 and 5 by 10. And then we multiply this 11, so it will become 44 by 110 and 55 by 110. Alright, so we have now minus 44 by 110 and 55 by 110. Now you can take any rational number, any 10 rational numbers in between this, like minus 43 by 110, which is less than minus 43, which is on the right hand side. I am going towards right hand side of the number line. Minus 44, minus 45 on this, it will be on that side. So we are given negative number and positive number. So that means if I start from here, I need to go towards the positive side. That means I will write minus 43 by 110, minus 40 by 110, minus say 30 by 110, minus 20 by 110, minus 10 by 110, minus, or let us write 10 by 110, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then write 20 by 110, then write 30 by 110, 40 by 110, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 50 by 110. So these are the 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and half. Now this is a general procedure. In case of this particular problem, minus 2 by 5 and half, this procedure actually is not needed, because minus 2 by 5 and half, there is a long span in between. You just need to make the denominators equal, and that's it. You will get 10 rational number in between. You see, if you make the denominator equal only, that means you have to multiply 2 with this denominator and numerator and 5 with this denominator and numerator. So it will become minus 2 to the 4, 5 to the 10, and it will become 5 on the 5, 5 to the 10. Now you can write like 3 by 10, 2 by 10, minus 1 by 10, then 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 6 by 10, 7 by 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have got 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and half. This is true for this particular problem. इस पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम के लिए आप ऐसे कर सकते हैं, हम ऐसे कर सकते हैं सॉल्व. लेकिन जो मैंने इसके पहले वाला प्रोसीजर दिखाया 10 + 1 11 करके, फिर क्या किया मैंने, पहले इसका आपको इसका डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल करना है. डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल करने के लिए 5 से इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है, न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर, और 2 से इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है, न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. तो डिनोमिनेटर्स इक्वल हो जाए ऐसे 2 to the 4, 5 to the 10, एंड यहाँ पे 5 on the 5 एंड 5 to the 10. तो डिनोमिनेटर्स इक्वल हो गए. आप उसके बाद 10 + 1 करके 11, उस 11 से न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. तो हमें दो अलग रैशनल नंबर्स मिलेंगे और उनके बीच में हम आराम से 10 रैशनल नंबर्स निकाल सकते हैं. दैट इज द जनरल प्रोसीजर फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम. क्योंकि यहाँ पे गैप बहुत ज़्यादा है. कभी कभी क्या होता है, जैसे 1/2 एंड 1/3 के बीच में अगर आपको दिया जाए माइनस 2/5 की जगह पे दिया 1/3, तो 1/3 एंड 1/2 के बीच में आपको रैशनल नंबर्स 10 रैशनल नंबर्स निकालना है. देन द फर्स्ट प्रोसीजर व्हाट एवर आई हैव शोन, दैट फर्स्ट प्रोसीजर विल बी यूजफुल टू यू. लेकिन यहाँ पे वो नहीं ज़रूरत था, बिकॉज यहाँ पे ये जो डिफरेंस है इन बिटवीन 2/5 एंड 1/2 इट्स लार्जर, so that's why this is sufficient to make the denominators equal and then find out 10 rational numbers. Understood everyone? All right. Next, find 5 rational numbers between 2/3 and 4/5. 2/3 and 4/5. 5 rational numbers between 2/3 and 4/5. Solution. So let us write 2/3 first and 4/5, or now we want to make the denominators equal. So for that we will multiply this rational number by 5. Multiplying this rational number by 5 means numerator, we will multiply numerator by 5 and the denominator by 5. So 2 5s are 10, or should I show you 2 into 5 by 3 into 5, and this 3 will multiply with the numerator and the denominator. So 4 into 3 by 5 into 3, or 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. Now you need to find out 5 rational numbers. You need to find out 5 rational numbers between 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. Now see, you cannot find 5 rational numbers between 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. Why? Because you need to exclude these two numbers. ये दोनों नंबर हम ले नहीं सकते. जो 5 rational numbers, the 5 rational numbers that are asked to find out, in those 5 rational numbers we cannot take this one or this one. Apart from these two numbers, we need to find 5 rational numbers in between them. So we have only 11 by 15. That's it. Only one rational number we can find out. We cannot find 5 rational numbers. So यहाँ पे वो जो पहला वाला प्रोसीजर मैंने अभी दिखाया था लास्ट प्रॉब्लम में, वो you need to apply that procedure. That means now we have got, instead of 2 by 3, we have got 10 by 15, and instead of 4 by 5, we have got 12 by 15. So, or since we are supposed to find out 5 rational numbers, so 5 plus 1 is 6. So we will multiply the numerator and the denominator by 6 in both the numbers. So 10 into 6 by 15 into 6 and 12 into 6 by 15 into 6, or 10 into 6 60, 15 into 6 90. टेबल आपको याद रखना है. 15 into 6 90 and 12 into 6 72. 15 into 6 90. So now we are in business. Now we need to find out. Now we can find out. So instead of 10 by 15, it has become 60 by 90. And instead of 12 by 15, it has become 72 by 90. So now we can find out 5 rational numbers in between 60 by 90 and 72 by 90. You can find any 5 rational numbers like 62 by 90, 65 by 90, 67 by 90, 69 by 90 and 71 by 90. Not only these 5, we can find many. So you understood the procedure? Now, how to solve the problem properly? Let us write down what you should write in the solution. So 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Now you can understand that 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, and here also we need to multiply this by this 5, and here we need to multiply this by 3 to make the denominators equal. So we will write, we have 2 by 3 and 4 by 5, or 2 into 6 into 5 by 3 into 6 into 5. Now why am I writing this 6 and 5? That I know, and by now you also know. You don't need to write anything. Just multiply ऐसे करना, but at the back of your mind you should know how you are writing this. तो क्यों हम ये लिख रहे हैं वो मैंने इतने देर से समझाया आपको. By now you understand why I am multiplying this by 6, because this 6 is from here, and this 5 is because I want to make the denominator equal in both the numbers. And so this 4 will be multiplied by 6 as well as by 3, and then 5 into 6 into 3, or 5 6 is 30, 32 is 60, divided by 3 6 is 80, 18 5 is 90, and 4 6 is 24, 24 3 is 72, 5 6 is 30, 33 is 90. Now we have 60 by 90 and 72 by 90. Then you will write down. So 5 rational numbers यहाँ पे एक और वर्ड ऐड कर सकते हैं. So required, QUIRED, required 5 rational numbers are 61/90, 62/90, 65/90, 67/90, 69/90. That's it. So did you understand? This much you need to write down in your notebook. Even this 5 plus 1, even this 5 plus 1, you can write in the rough section. This is also not needed. You need to write from here. This is also a rough form. All right. So there are many other problems. -3/2 and 5/3, 1/4 and half. All of them should be done like this way only. Write 5 rational numbers greater than -2. Now question number 6, and find 10 rational numbers between 3/5 and 3/4. Okay. So I hope the rest of the two problems given in this number 5, 5/2 and 5/3, you will be able to solve on your own. 5/2 and 5/3. So this is question number 5. 1. So I'm going to solve those numbers here, those questions. So it's your homework. If you are not done, then 5/2 and 5/3. These two are your homework if you are not done. Here I will solve first number 7, and then I will come to number 6. So find 10 rational numbers between 3/5 and 3/4. 10 rational numbers between 3/5 and 3/4. Now here, let us make the denominators equal first. So we have 3/5 and 3/4, or 3 into 4 by 5 into 4, and 3 into 5 by 4 into 5, or 12 by 20 and 15 by 20. Now you see, we need to find out 10 rational numbers between these two rational numbers, which is not possible now because we have only 13 and 14. So we need 10. So what we will do, we will multiply again by 11, both the numerator and the denominator. So 12 into 11. Why 11? Because 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1, 11. So 20 into 11 and 15 into 11 by 20 into 11. Now you must be thinking that here 11 we need to multiply by 11. So how to do this? It's very simple. I'll show you the trick. Whenever we multiply any number, any big number by 11, any 2-digit number, when we multiply any 2-digit number like 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 15, any 2-digit number with 11, then what we need to do in the answer, first you write down the units place digit. Ones place digit जो है उसको आप लिख दीजिए, ones place digit. Then what you do, you will add these two. Add 1 to this digit. You will add 1 to this. So that is this, and Just like, or you can easily multiply 12 on the 12 2 and 1 carry 12 on the 12 plus 130. Basically we are adding 1 to this 1 plus digit. इसके साथ 1 ऐड करके यहाँ पे लिख रहे हैं 132 and then this is 220. All right. Similarly, here we will write down the ones place digit, and then we will add 1 to this ones place digit, that is 6, and then we will write 1 on the 1, that is, and 220. So this is the trick. If you want to multiply 20, say 22 with 11, so what you will do? Ones plus digit you will write 1 and add 1 to this ones plus digit, that is 3, and then 2 ones are 2. This is the answer. If you want to multiply 67 into 11, so you will do ones plus digit, this, you will write down this, then add 1 to this 1 plus digit, that is 7 plus 1 8. Now 6 1 the 6. This is the answer. तो ऐसे करके हम मल्टीप्लाई करते कोई भी नंबर को 11 के साथ, अगर बड़ा नंबर है मल्टीप्लाई करना है. Okay, so let's come back to this problem. So now we have got 132 by 220, 165 by 220. So write these two numbers here. You don't have to write here. I am writing because I am going to remove this. You will write from here only. आपको इसके नीचे से ही लिखना है, यहाँ पे ऐसे लिखना नहीं है आप लोगों को. I have written because I removed this portion, that's why. So we have this. So the required 10 rational numbers are 133 by 220, 140 by 220, 1. I am choosing any number, any random number between 132 and 165. I am choosing any random 10 numbers. You can choose any other numbers, whatever your choice is, but that should be in between 132 and 165. इन दोनों के बीच में होना चाहिए. More than 132, less than 165. 148 by 220, and so on. 150 by 220, 152 by 220, 153 by 220, 155 by 220, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and 2 more. 160 by 220, 162 by 220. 10 rational numbers. All right. Okay, now let's discuss about the sixth one. ये problem everybody understood this one? Any doubt? Any doubt? Doubt है? No. Okay. ये जनरल प्रोसीजर सबको फॉलो करना है। पहले पहले डिनोमिनेटर को इक्वल बनाना है और उसके बाद जितना रैशनल नंबर फाइंड करने के लिए कहेंगे उससे एक ज़्यादा, उसके साथ एक ऐड करके जो नंबर मिलेगा उस नंबर से न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना है। करने के बाद हम ऐसे फाइंड कर सकते हैं जितने भी रैशनल नंबर होंगे। ऑलराइट, so question number 6. Question number 6. Find any 5 rational numbers greater than -2. 5 rational numbers greater than -2. 5 rational numbers right. Let me write here. Visible. Greater than -2. That we need to find out. 5 rational numbers greater than -2. Now you can easily write down 5 rational numbers which are greater than -2. Required 5 rational numbers are -1, 0. You can write 1 also, 2, 3, 5. Any number which is on that side of the number line. Every number is greater than -2. Alright. Alright, so this is all for today. So did you understand? Okay, I didn't think. Okay. Alright, so what I would like to suggest to you that just a moment. So your homework would be to practice chapter 1.1 and 1.2. So that would be your homework. Your homework would be to practice chapter 1.1 and 1.2. Now you may leave the class and remember that you have the same link to join to other classes. तो दूसरा कोई लिंक की ज़रूरत नहीं है, उसी लिंक से आप दूसरी क्लास में ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं एज पर योर टाइम शेड्यूल. ऑलराइट, सो बाय, टेक केयर एवरीबॉडी. हाँ, मैं पहले तो स्प्रे लगाई, स्प्रे यहाँ पे बना हुआ है सॉल्यूशन, थोड़ा पे फूल रही है, छोड़ दीजिए थोड़ा पे, मैं आप लोगों को दिखा देता हूँ। इधर आइए, अरे बुलाना नहीं है, छोड़ दीजिए, मैं आप लोगों को बुला दिखा देता हूँ कैसे करते हैं। अरे पहले मेरे पास नहीं, क्या करिएगा।